Your bathroom may look clean, but it could be quietly affecting your health every single day. Bathrooms are one of the most moisture-heavy spaces in the home. When small mistakes add up, they can increase mold exposure, irritate your lungs, trigger allergies, and drain your energy. Today, we are covering 7 common bathroom mistakes that may be making you sick, and simple ways to fix them. If you care about home wellness and hidden health risks, consider subscribing. Humidity staying too high. Bathrooms trap moisture more than any other room. Hot showers release steam that settles into walls, ceilings, and hidden spaces. When humidity stays high, it creates the perfect environment for mold and bacteria to grow. This can lead to sinus irritation, fatigue, and breathing discomfort. If mirrors stay foggy long after a shower, humidity is lingering too long. Ventilation that is not actually working. Many bathroom fans are weak, dirty, or rarely used. Some fans only move air inside the ceiling instead of venting it outdoors. Poor ventilation allows moisture and chemical fumes to build up. Over time, this increases indoor air pollution and respiratory irritation. Air needs a clear path out of the room. Mold hiding in clean-looking places. Mold does not always appear as black spots. It often hides behind toilet tanks, under sinks, inside cabinets, and behind walls. Even small amounts can release spores into the air. These spores may contribute to headaches, congestion, and low energy. A bathroom can look spotless and still have a hidden problem. Fragrance sprays and plug-ins. Many bathrooms rely on air fresheners to cover odors. These products release synthetic fragrance chemicals into the air. Breathing these compounds can irritate the nervous system and lungs. For some people, they worsen headaches and fatigue. A fresh smell does not always mean clean air. Harsh cleaning products and chemical mixing. Bathroom cleaners often contain strong chemicals. Bleach, ammonia, and acidic sprays release fumes that linger in small spaces. When products mix, even accidentally, the fumes can become more harmful. Repeated exposure can irritate the eyes, throat, and airways. Less chemical use often leads to better indoor air quality. Towels, bath mats, and shower curtains. Damp fabrics are a common source of bacteria and mold. Towels and mats that do not dry fully can hold moisture for days. These items release particles into the air every time they are moved. This adds to the invisible load your body deals with. Drying completely matters more than most people realize. Drains, biofilm, and hidden odor sources. Bathroom drains collect organic buildup called biofilm. This buildup feeds bacteria and produces gases that affect air quality. Odors are often a warning sign, not just a nuisance. What you smell is not always harmless. Regular drain care reduces exposure at the source. Simple fixes you can start today. Use the bathroom fan during showers and leave it on after. Open windows when possible. Reduce fragrance products and choose gentler cleaners. Wash towels and mats frequently and allow them to fully dry. Small changes can greatly improve bathroom air quality. So in summary, here are the 7 bathroom mistakes that can quietly affect your health. 1. Humidity staying too high. 2. Ventilation that is not actually working. 3. Air not having a clear path out of the room. 4. Fragrance sprays and plug-ins. 5. Harsh cleaning products and chemical mixing. 6. Towels, bath mats, and shower curtains holding moisture. 7. Drains, biofilm, and hidden odor sources. So, if you experience headaches, congestion, fatigue, or breathing discomfort, your bathroom may be playing a role. The good news is that awareness leads to improvement. A healthier bathroom supports a healthier home. If this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how your home affects your health. Wellness begins at home.